Understanding maintenance checks, a guide to keeping things running smoothly. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that you might come across in various contexts. Whether you're dealing with cars, computers, or even your own health. We're talking about maintenance checks. These two words pack a lot of meaning, especially when it comes to taking care of things to ensure they continue to work well. So, let's break it down and make it as simple as possible to understand. First off, let's look at the word maintenance. At its core, maintenance is all about keeping something in good condition. This could mean fixing problems as they come up or doing regular actions to prevent problems from happening in the first place. Imagine you have a bike. To keep it running smoothly, you'd oil the chain, check the tires for air, and make sure the brakes are working. That's maintenance. Now, on to checks. In this context, checks are inspections or examinations to see if everything is as it should be. It's like when a doctor uses a stethoscope to listen to your heart and lungs. The doctor is checking to make sure everything sounds normal. So, when we combine it with maintenance, we're talking about inspecting or examining something to ensure it's being properly maintained. You might wonder where you'll encounter maintenance checks. Well, they're everywhere. If you own a car, it needs regular maintenance checks to ensure it's safe and efficient on the road. This includes oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections. In an office, computers and other equipment require maintenance checks to avoid data loss and hardware failures. Even in our bodies, regular health checkups are a form of maintenance checks, ensuring we stay healthy and catch any issues early. Performing maintenance checks involves a few key steps. 1. Identifying what needs regular maintenance. This could be anything from a physical object like a car to software like a computer program. 2. Learning what specific maintenance tasks are required. Each item has its own needs, like changing the oil in a car or updating antivirus software on a computer. 3. Scheduling regular checks. Consistency is key to effective maintenance. Set reminders or mark your calendar to make sure you don't forget. 4. Documenting what you've done. Keeping a record can help you track when you last performed maintenance and what was done. And there you have it. A closer look at what maintenance checks are and why they're so important in our daily lives. Remember, the goal of maintenance checks is to prevent problems before they happen, keeping everything from our cars to our health in top shape. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the significance of regular maintenance. Stay tuned for more helpful guides, and take care of yourself and your stuff.